The Earth is divided into four major domains, namely lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and the biosphere. Biosphere? What does it mean? Shall we learn? Biosphere, the domain of life. The biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between the land, water, and air. Life exists in this biosphere, making the planet unique in the solar system. All the living organisms, including humans, are linked to each other and to the biosphere for survival. There are several species of organisms that vary in size, from microbes and bacteria to huge mammals. The organisms in the biosphere may be divided into the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. The three domains of the Earth interact with each other and affect each other in some way or the other. What is global warming? The air is polluted by the emission from industries, thermal power plants, and the vehicles. Carbon dioxide is an important constituent of air, but increase in the amount of carbon dioxide leads to increase in global temperatures. This is termed as global warming. How does global warming affect? Global warming affects in melting glaciers, early snow melt, and rising in the sea levels. Allergies, asthma, and infectious disease outbreaks will become more common due to increased levels of air pollution. Things that damage biosphere: cutting of forests for fulfilling our needs of wood, or clearing land for agriculture may lead to fast removal of soil from slopes. The Earth's surface may be changed due to natural calamities like earthquakes. Parts of Andaman and Nicobar Islands were submerged underwater because of tsunami recently. Discharge of waste material into lakes and rivers makes the water unsuitable for human use. In fact, it also damages other forms of life. What did we learn? The biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between the land, water, and air. Increase in the amount of CO2 leads to increase in global warming. So, the use of resources of the earth should be limited to maintain the balance of nature between the domains of the lithosphere, the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, and the biosphere. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.